everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing for the tour to Mont Blanc. So my flight leaves in a couple hours and I'm just going to be repacking my bag. I'm flying carry-on only with camping equipment, so hopefully this flies well, no pun intended. But I'm actually going to be spending 2 days in London before my trip, and then I have a 25-hour layover in Iceland. So just keep that in mind for some things that I'm packing, and we'll just get right into it. I never know the best way to film these, so hopefully this is okay for now. I just don't have like a very good camera setup at the moment, but this is the backpack that I'm bringing. It's the Osprey Stratos 34. It's a great bag, it's very comfortable, fits me well, and then in the bag I just have a pair of Chacos on either side, my water bladder, which I need to empty out, and then in here is a little, let's see what's in here, some headphones for now, and then this is clean, but it's what I'm going to be using as my pee rag, and then a headlamp, and then a hat. So that's kind of all going to be attached around the backpack. And then as far as camping gear, this is my brother's sleeping bag, actually. I asked to borrow his just because he has a nicer goose down one. It just compacts down a lot smaller and it's warmer. I'm probably going to upgrade my sleeping bag at one point when I can buy things again. And then this is a sleeping pad that I got in REI garage sale a long time ago, and it was like $17. It's self-inflating, and it's actually a kid size, and I'm short, so that actually fits me very well. And then this is a one-person tent that someone from work is actually letting me borrow. It's super light and compact. It's actually like kind of smaller than what this bag is. And I think she got this in New Zealand, so if you're interested. And these are just like the poles for the tent. And then I'm leaving the stakes behind just because I'm almost 100% positive those are not allowed on carry-on. I'm hoping that these will be okay, just because like, I mean, like knitting needles are allowed, and like people can bring like their metal selfie sticks and tripods and stuff, so I don't see why those wouldn't be allowed. They're not pointy. And I am actually going to buy stakes when I get there, so that is one thing I'm going to have to buy, but I consider that a necessity because it is part of my shelter. And then over here, these are just like little knickknacks that were in the little side pockets of my backpack. So usually when I camp, I'll just bring like a pack of tissues like this as opposed to just like some toilet paper. It's probably better to just roll up toilet paper, but I just had a bunch of these, so it's just easier to pack that. Chapstick, sunscreen. If you like to travel carry-on, I highly recommend doing solid sunscreens because it doesn't add to your liquid. This is one I like to use, probably not like the most eco-friendly, but that's just what I have. It's actually still kind of left over from another trip, and this thing will last a really long time. And then I have my GoPro, a little selfie stick, and then this is my wallet that I usually like to use when I travel, kind of depending on the trip that I'm taking. I just like it because there's a bunch of little compartments. I can keep my coins in there and everything kind of separated. And then I also have just like some electronics and chargers. I still need to put my portable battery and just a couple more cords in there. And then this pouch has my passport in it, and I actually got this probably when I was like 7 or 8 years old. This was like the first time I ever went to Asia. And I remember exactly, I got this in the Japanese airport, and I still use it to this day to keep my passport in it. These are my liquids. I have contact solutions, more sunscreen. This is rubbing alcohol, which I pretty much always travel with, extra contacts, and then hand sanitizer. These are some more toiletries and stuff. I won't really go into detail about this. I'll probably do a separate video. And what I typically bring for trips is going to be kind of different than this, just because this is more like camping oriented. Anyways, and then this is my rain jacket, and then we will dive into this a little bit better. This is clothes and a couple other things, and I'll just switch angles and show you guys. But over there is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane, a fleece, some socks, and then my current outfit. Okay, so back to this angle. So in the packing cube, This is just like a cheap one that I got in Japan. Just because I wanted one that was kind of smaller. I have the Eagle Creek ones too, which are really great. Just like the kind of like square looking ones. I think I eventually would like to upgrade to the nicer Eagle Creek ones that kind of like will compress. If you're into packing cubes, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so we will go into here. So this is a sleeping bag liner, and then inside I also have an eye mask, and I just recently started traveling with an eye mask, and it is a huge game changer. But I have this mostly because I'm going to be staying at hostels, and that's kind of iffy for me. And then although we're going to be camping a bunch, every like 3 or 4 nights you're going to be staying at like a hostel type of area, and they do require you to have these, but I read that they don't really check, but I'll just probably bring it anyways. This is a packable, reusable bag. It hardly takes up any space. Pretty much always travel with this, and this will be good when I go buy groceries, and when I'm just walking around London, I can keep my stuff in here. I have a headband, 1 extra pair of wool socks. I have 2 pairs of underwear, the 3rd one I'm wearing currently. This is a wool long sleeve shirt, a synthetic lightweight t-shirt. All these clothes are basically hiking clothes, by the way. Some exercise shorts, a wool tank top, a pair of leggings, and they have little pockets on the side, which I really enjoy. 1 sports bra, and then this is actually a bathing suit, but I'm actually going to double it as a sports bra, just so I have something to swim in, just in case, I don't know, if you're going to dive into lakes. It's probably going to be too cold for that, but I am going to go to the Blue Lagoon, so I figured if this is going to be double, this will be good. And then I have a pack towel. And then my current outfit, which is going to be my outfit I'm going to be wearing around in London, and then also I'm going to be wearing this to sleep in with like a fleece or whatever. It's just this like black crop top, and then I'm wearing just like these black pants that are very comfy. Alright, so that's everything that I'm packing, and then as you can see, I didn't need to buy anything new. I have a luggage lock too somewhere. I need to go find that, but the things I didn't have I was able to borrow or just be able to use stuff that I already owned. I do have to buy tent stakes though, and you know, that's just how it goes. So I'm going to pack this up and then I'll show you guys the end result. Alright, so that's what the bag looks like fully packed. Everything actually fits on the inside. When I'm actually going to be trekking and stuff, I'll probably strap the tent on the bottom just so I have room for some food on the top. But that's it. That's what it looks like. And then this is what I'm going to be bringing on the plane. I'm going to switch my phone. I'm filming with my phone right now, so I'm going to switch it to that waterproof case, and then those pouches I'll have in my pockets of my fleece. And I'll also be wearing my hiking boots, and then I forgot to mention I also have my glasses and its glasses case in here as well. And I actually switched out the toiletry bag to like a little sack just so that it kind of conforms a little better. But that's all. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that packing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!